Okay, first of all, I want to introduce you how to use these two items. This one is a PT-230 and this one is a PT-175. So how to light these two soldering iron up? First of all, you want to turn off the torch right here. So let's do it. Remember, push to the continue button, then press the gas right here, then push it up like this. Be careful, you don't want to burn your hand. Alright, there we go. So, as you can see, right, in the soldering tip, it tends to red, so that means you are ready for soldering. And then when you don't want to use it, just push it back to off. Let's go for the next one. Same as this one. All you have to do is push this button to on, then use your torch to light it up, just like this. It's probably going to take about 5 seconds to 10 to light up. So when you see the color, it turns to red, that is ready for soldering.